Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. I'm bringing you guys my family dollar haul. No, I did two different deals. Same card. I was about to leave the store and then I saw that they have the swab thing. So they have a swab deal and I'll go through that with that. But they have it where if you spend $6, you get a $2 off coupon for your next purchase. I think it takes a little bit to get, but I will explain that to you. But first, I'm bringing you guys my haul. Last week, I didn't go last week because I was out of town, but the week before that, I went kind of crazy with Tide. This week, I kind of went crazy with Tide, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Family Dollar. So I ended up getting the Tide Simply. Both of these were $2.95. There's a $1 off digital coupon for this one, and there is a $1 off digital coupon for this one. So you end up getting these each for $1.95 if you want to go ahead and get those Tide products. I also ended up getting the Gain dish soap. I'm actually really enjoying to get these big bottles of soap. I think I've been really enjoying shopping at Family Dollar because I get like Tide products that I never get in my other deals. But anyways, this was $2 and there is currently a $1 off digital coupon. I think it expires today. So I ended up getting this big bottle for $1 and I'm loving it because I used to love Gain all the time. I'm just gonna roll my window down a little bit more. I ended up getting the Colgate toothpaste. Now these were $3 a piece and I had a $1 off digital coupon and I had a $3 off, a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and it took off the 3 off of 2, so you'd get these for technically $3 or $1.50 a piece, but we don't do that, so I ended up getting that. Now, there's this I've been actually starting to use a lot lately. I really like the products, but this is the Dawn Power Wash. Now, they had the one with the spray nozzle for $5. Otherwise, they had the refill for $4. Well, I already have a bottle, so why pay for another nozzle when I could just buy the refill? It's the same exact thing. So, these were $4 instead of $5. I had a $2 off digital coupon for that, so I just got this for $2, which is a great deal because I'm really starting to love this Dawn dish soap. I do want to try the Palmolive one whenever there's a chance, but I really loved doing that one. The next deal I got was this CoverGirl eyebrow pencils. These were $4.50. $4.50. There's currently a $3 off digital coupon for these. You would just get this for $1.50. So I got that. And then the last item I got with the spend 25 deal was this Glade Plug In. Now, this was $3.35. I had a freebie like 2 weeks ago that I used, but I ended up scanning this in the app and there is a 3 off of like whatever one that pops up on the app for a Febreze plug-in. So I got a $3 off. So I just got this for 35 cents. If you guys want to do that, go for it. So that came out to be $25.75. I ended up using $14 worth of digital coupons and I had that 5 off of 25 digital coupons, so I got $19 off that purchase, making everything just $6.75 or just 84 cents a piece. Plus I have what, 4 items that I can 5 items that I can post to the P&G website to get points for that. Now let me share with you guys the Suave deal. Now the Suave deal, whereas if you spend $6, you get a $2 off coupon to use in the future. I love those coupons because you can buy anything. You have to do those separately with the 5 off of 25. So what I'll do is I will go to the store, make like a small purchase that's for like something that's $2 or whatever and get that thing for free. So that's what I absolutely liked. So what I could do is wait for that coupon, go back and get a Suave product that's $2, pay nothing, and then submit another 75-cent rebate, which I should do that because that becomes out a better deal. So I ended up getting the Suave hand soap. This was $2. I got the Suave women's body wash for $2 and I got the Suave men's body wash for $2. I paid $6 for all 3 items, but then you guys can submit your receipt for 75 cents for all 3 items each, so 75, 75, and 75, and you'll end up paying $6, but then you get $2 and 25 cents back with Ibotta. There's a dragonfly on my dashboard. But I had a 5-cent any receipt, so technically I got 4 rebates. So I got $2.30 back with Ibotta. Then I will be getting that $2 off coupon that I will be getting from Family Dollar for my next purchase, which I think it usually takes a day to get. I'm not sure. I've only done that deal kind of once. So my grand total came to $1.70, which I think is a pretty good deal. That's 56 cents a piece. Now, if I go back and use that $2 off coupon for another Suave product, I will still end up getting it for $6 for all 4 of them, okay? We'll end up getting $2.30 back, take away another 75, and then we'll use that $2 off coupon. I think everything will end up being like 95 cents if you think about it, kind of, if I'm not saying that correctly. But that is something if you guys want to do. I needed a couple things to get the weekend warrior since I did not go to Walgreens this weekend, but I just wanted to share with you guys my haul. Thanks for giving this video a thumbs up. If you guys haven't already, I'm excited to shop. I really like it because Family Dollar is super close to me. I really wish I could coupon at Dollar General, but it's a little too far away for me. If it was closer, I would definitely do it. But anyways, I'm happy with what I got. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.